Operation on set, we will find out union. Here is A equals to 2 3 7 8, B equals to 1 3 4 5. What will be A union B? We can write, look, 2 3 7 8, and here 1 3 4 5. So union means common, uncommon, everything will be in set. So answer will be what? Here is 2, here is 1. So in sequence we can write 1 2 3 4, but here is no 6, so here is 5 7 and 8. This is the answer. It means A and B, everything will be in set. This is set of union. Thank you. Operation on set, we will discuss about intersection. Intersection means only we can keep common thing from two set. Here is set A 2 3 7 8, set B 1 3 4 5. So what will be common? Here only common 3. So we can write like this. A means 2 3 7 8, and B means 1 3 4 5. So what is common? Common only 3. So A intersection B, set will be only 3. Thank you. Difference set. Difference set is just subtraction from one set to another set. Like, look, here is A set is 2 3 7 8. Subtract B set 1 3 4 5. So look, here is 1, but here is no 1. No problem. Here is 3, here is 3. So this 3 will be out. So look, only 3 will be out from A set. We will justify what will be common. That will be out from A set. So answer will be 2 7 8. Thank you. Complement set. Complement set is that kinds of set where we will subtract element from universal set. Like A complement set, we can write like this: universal set subtract A. Here is universal set is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9, minus or subtract A. A what? 2. A element is 2 3 7 8. Now we will subtract that elements which is common. So this is 2, here is 2, here is 3, here is 3, here is 7, here is 7, here is 8, here is 8. So we can write 1 4 5 6 and 9. Thank you. Complement set. Look, here is universal set 1 to 9 and set B 1 3 4 5. Complement set means here union minus B. So what will be the element of U? We can write 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9, minus B means 1 3 4 5. So what will be the common? 1 common, 3 common, 4 common and 5 common. So we can out this one. So what will be balance? 2 3 3 will be out, 2 6 7 8 and 9. This is the answer. Thank you.